Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to wind a bobbin on a Singer 5805C sewing machine. First thing you're going to do is put your thread on your post here at the back. Then you're going to grab your thread and you're going to go to this post here. You want to get it just into the teeth, not all the way down. So you hear a little click, just like that. Then you're going to go in front of this disc and around. Then you're going to grab your bobbin and you'll notice there's holes in the side of it. So you're going to put the thread through any one of those holes from the inside going towards the outside. Give yourself about a 2-inch tail. Place it onto this post right here. Then you're going to push it over. And you're going to take your wheel here, and there's an indent. Push that in. That'll engage the winder. And then while you're holding up the tail, you're just going to push on your foot pedal and let it wind. And then you just gotta cut the excess off the tail there. And as you can see, it won't spin anymore because it pushes itself away and automatically stops. You're gonna push that back, pull up to remove it off the post, cut your thread, and then you're good to go load it in. That's all there is to winding a bobbin, and hopefully this was helpful. Please like and subscribe.